Welcome everybody. This is your boy, Sleep the Barber. This is a breakdown video of 10 fade, a ball 10 fade with a beard trim. We're gonna start off by using the number 3 guard all the way around. He's getting a 10 fade, so we're gonna even it all out first. We're gonna even the bottom part first with the 3, and then we're gonna come back with the 4 guard. Now we're going over with the 4 guard on the top, and we're going to even it out, and hopefully everything blends with the 3. We're going to go to do the beard with the same length. We want the beard the same length as the top a little bit. So I'm going over with the 4 guard first, and then we're going to blend it in. His hair, you see the hair going different directions. So right now we're going against the grain. Right now I'm lining it up to create a background so it's either lined up. I'm holding the earlobe down with my pointing finger, and I'm going around the ear so the ear won't get hit with the blade. Now I'm tempering, ball tempering all the way up to the point, or halfway to the point is where we're gonna start this fade. So creating the arches so we know we fade. Now we're starting to blend. We're doing the same thing with the back. We're blending. We're blending from the bottom latch all the way up, and we're doing the exact same thing. We starting the guideline with we're open, and we're working our way up. We changing guards to the 1.5. We're blending the beard. Right now I'm lining the beard up, holding the blade backwards, and now we're building the beard line up, going over the mustache using the point slightly. You want a thin mustache, slightly going on the top of the mustache, going to the back, making sure we keeping out on the outwards possible, keeping it natural, keeping everything clean. The arch, go to C, creating a C effect. Now we're about done with the right side of his head. Building the line, keep building the line. Now we're going on the line, making sure everything is. Right now I'm building the hairline, making sure everything even. I like to line up from the eyebrows and make sure everything's even on both sides. Another way to make sure everything is by lining it up to the eyebrows. And now I'm still digging in, building the line. As you see, the line is getting sharper. I'm not pressing too hard, and I'm not taking the line back. I'm just constantly building the line. And there we go. The line is getting sharper. Creating a C with the point. Again, point. There we go. Now look what we got. That's including with the topics. I didn't show that in the video. And there we go. That's a clean cut. For more videos like this, hit me boy up. Sleep the Barber. I'm keep y'all fresh to death. More educational videos, design videos. We're just gonna keep it coming. I thank y'all. Like, subscribe, share, and I'm out. Peace.